Diplomatic failure, a failure where words exist but action does not, a failure where agreements signed but not enforced, a failure where the world knows but do not act. And we must say this with courage. Silence is not neutral. Silence is complicity. When the world sees the community targeted because of their identity, when they know that civilians are being bombed and still choose silence, that silence becomes part of the violence. We are not here to reject peace. We are here to demand a real peace. The peace that is felt on the ground, not just written on paper. Peace that protects children, not just political interests. And that is why we are here in front of the United States of America, because the United States of America is not just a witness, it's the global leader, a nation that a nation that has the power to influence peace, to demand accountability, to defend human dignity. So today we ask, will those values be defended today? And we will, or it will remain just words. The United States of America can act to demand accountability from the Kinshasa regime and its allies to ensure the ceasefire agreement are respected by Kinshasa regime and apply the diplomatic pressure to stop attacks on civilians in Minembwe and Masisi, condition partnership on the protection of human life, and stand clearly and publicly against identity-based violence. Because if agreements signed do not protect lives on the ground, then what do they really truly stand for? Distinguished leaders of United States of America, representative of U.S. State Department, imagine signing a peace agreement and your parents are still looking up in fear, waiting for the drone above their homes. Imagine hearing promises to protect while your village is burning. Imagine being told to trust diplomacy while your people are being disappearing just because of who they are, because they are Tutsi. Would you accept that peace? We are not asking for sympathy. We are asking for accountability. We are asking for action. We are asking for protection. Because today it is Banyamulenge. Today it is the Tutsi community in DRC. But tomorrow, if silence continues, it could be anyone. We refuse to accept a peace that does not protect our families. We refuse to accept a diplomacy that is ignore our sufferings. We refuse to disappear quietly just because we are minority Tutsi. No more empty agreements, no more silence, no more complicity. Our people are still being bombed in Minembwe. Our community are still under attack. And Congo is killing Tutsi. And today we stand here in front of the United States of America to demand that our lives matter. Thank you so much.
Tuzahubaka.
We are. How long are you here? We're here until 6 p.m.
Are you here tomorrow?
Tomorrow we are here. We are tomorrow.
Okay, so maybe you can come in tomorrow.
All right. I mean, he's not here today.
Well, we have a meeting, but we want to meet with you.
All right. So,
Do we have your phone number? I know you're
I have my phone number, and then our president, he's like down there.
Okay.
His name is Douglas. I don't know if
Can you want my phone number?
let me have your phone number.
Yeah, maybe. Let me see what we have.
All right.
Yeah.
Give me your phone number one more time.
What is your letter?
Well, it's just we're talking for the The fact that we are even here in this country, like, it's all the evidences that you need. So, that's your number?
Yeah.
All right,
Do you
thank
see
you.
it?
Yeah, I see it.
So just message me on WhatsApp or
And
Signal.
then let me know if it's possible today.
Yeah,
Please.
will do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, but it's all wet. But I can still take it.
Yeah, I'll send you a good one.
You
I
sure?
will. I will.
Okay.
Okay. Oh,
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
then I'll text you and
Yeah,
I'll send you. Yeah.
Okay.
All right, then.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
bantu banjye mutuze ndabasabye ahashaka kuri amasage ya Kongo umuntu wese ufite mikrofone umuntu wese ufite vuvuzera ayituze tutange ijambo tuvuga tutavuze twarakwakuza ubusa mutuze turaza kuririmba turaza twaza mesaje y'indirimbo ariko turaza twumva ijambo ry'abayobozi ariko tutwemerere musubire inyuma nitudasubira inyuma ntabwo dutanga mesaje yacu musubire inyuma
You would not come out. You're at 500 people. Soni timurenga umurongo nyaboneka sekirite mugarukira mwese hano nyaboneka ntitudaceceka ntabwo dutanga ijambo ryacu ryatuzanye turabaririmbira muringana mureka twite mesaje kuri
Ubicane gatoya. Ubicane gatoya. Hano kugira mesaje yacu ya Kongo. Ukeneye gutanga mesaje yacu kugira ngo bayumve. Rero muri ambasade kugira ngo bumve ukoresha umwanya tubaganire abarinzi bane mu tubatinye kubera ngo turi benshi rero abakuze ikabishoboza hari yewe n'abantu baratwemerera kuganira nabo rero twihanganire mube nk'abakushinga niyo nizira ahubwo niyo nzira tujya gufata dusubirayo tujya kuri Capitol Hill rero gatoya hariya hepfo barabazana ngo batinye benshi cyane cyangwa ngo baratinye ibyaha byabo barimo tugara dupushinge gatoya dusubire inyuma base ngabo ubona ko abantu bagiye baraza tuganire ibyaha byabo ngira atinye ngo baranga gusohoka kubera ibyaha byabo
abantu tumanuke hepfo tumanuke hirya tugenda tumanuke twese tumanuke twerekera iriya abandi tumanuke twerekera iriya
umwe wasohotse bari bamutumye basohotse hari wasohotse katika sinjara mu kiraro mani wasohotse abantu
ikindi abantu bakunda kuvuga
Dusubirira side kugira ngo ubahirize ibyo basabye. Dusubirira hano n'abantu bakeya.
abantu baranga mudafite ibyapa mumanuke muvanga mumanuke.
When Masisi and everywhere in Eastern Congo, diplomacy means nothing if it doesn't protect human life.